Hey there, future trailblazers. Imagine this making $20,000 a month. Yes, that's 20 grand working from the comfort of your home or from anywhere in the world, all thanks to a game changing tool from Google. Sounds too good to be true. Stick around because today we're diving deep into how you can tap into Google's brand new AI notebook to create a highly profitable online income stream in 2025. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned entrepreneur looking for the next big thing, this video is packed with actionable insights, powerful strategies, and step by step instructions you won't find anywhere else. Oh, and make sure to stay till the end. I've got a special bonus tip that could skyrocket your earnings to the next level. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what this revolutionary tool actually is. Google's AI Notebook is the tech giant's latest offering, designed to combine the power of AI and automation with simplicity and accessibility. Think of it as your digital assistant, only smarter, faster, and more capable. You can use it for a variety of tasks: generating high quality content, analyzing data, automating workflows, creating personalized marketing campaigns, and even brainstorming profitable business ideas. What makes it truly unique is its accessibility. Unlike many AI tools that require extensive coding knowledge or come with hefty price tags, Google's AI Notebook is beginner friendly and extremely affordable. Yes, just $20 a month. For that price, you're unlocking a tool that has the potential to help you generate tens of thousands of dollars per month if you know how to leverage it the right way. So, how do you turn this tool into a money making machine? Here's a detailed blueprint to follow. Step 1: Niche selection. Start by identifying a niche that is both profitable and in demand. It could be content creation, digital marketing, e commerce, or even freelance services like copywriting or graphic design. Google's AI Notebook can help you research trends, identify gaps in the market, and pinpoint the most lucrative opportunities within your niche. Step 2: Content creation and monetization. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to start creating value. This is where Google's AI Notebook shines. Let's say you want to create a blog or YouTube channel. The AI can help you write engaging scripts, generate SEO friendly articles, or even create marketing copy that converts. Monetize this content through affiliate marketing, ad revenue, or selling digital products. The possibilities are endless. Step 3: Automating your business. The real secret to scaling your income lies in automation. Use Google's AI Notebook to set up workflows that handle repetitive tasks like scheduling social media posts, responding to customer inquiries, or managing inventory if you are in e commerce. This frees up your time to focus on growth and strategy. Step 4: Expanding and scaling. As you start making consistent income, reinvest a portion of your earnings into scaling your business. This could mean hiring virtual assistants, running paid ads, or upgrading to premium AI tools for even greater efficiency. The key is to continuously optimize and expand. Still skeptical? Let's look at some real world success stories. Take John, for instance, a freelance writer who used Google's AI Notebook to automate his content creation process. Within 6 months, he grew his client base to 50 recurring customers and scaled his income to $15,000 a month. Or Lisa, who turned her passion for baking into a profitable online business by creating an AI powered blog and selling digital recipe books. With Google's AI Notebook handling her marketing, she now makes $20,000 monthly while working part time. These are real people achieving incredible results using the exact strategies I'm sharing with you today. If they can do it, so can you. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. This sounds amazing, but I'm not tech savvy, or what if I fail? Let me tell you, every successful entrepreneur started where you are right now, uncertain, a little nervous, but determined to change their life. The beauty of Google's AI Notebook is that it's designed to be user friendly, even for beginners. And remember, every failure is a lesson. The only way to truly fail is to never start. So, what are you waiting for? The tools, the strategies, and the opportunities are all right in front of you. It's up to you to take action. Start by exploring Google's AI Notebook today. It could be the decision that transforms your financial future. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because I'll be sharing even more tips and strategies to help you crush it in 25. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Remember, success is all about taking that first step. The next chapter of your life is waiting. Let's make it extraordinary. See you in the next video.